the way India has been hit by the second wave of COVID-19,
Hmm.
and the situation is really bad. I hope this passes soon,
Yeah.
and everyone stay inside, stay safe. Uh, Keep talking to your friends and family, making sure
Hmm.
they're all right.
Hmm.
But what I want to discuss about is that do you think that there was this thing, right, that a lot of people from the elite layer of the country were leaving because they found that the culture or the system is better in some other places? Do you think
Okay.
that will increase now after this?
You mean brain drain will increase now?
Yeah, will the brain drain increase after the way India has gone through COVID-19?
Hmm. I don't think so.
You don't?
No.
Let's do 2 points. Give me 2 points why you don't think so.
The number one point is it is not that only India is affected by it. We have seen the same scenario in US and the other European countries played out a year ago. Like अभी यहाँ पे बिल्कुल fresh है and we are very enraged with the situation that is going on, the failure and collapse of our medical healthcare system. But it has also happened to other countries. Although
Yeah.
I agree with the fact कि उनके पास that happened only in the first wave, and in our case it's different. We have the second wave, and somehow our system was still not ready for the second wave. So yes, a fraction of people will go outside the country, but then they will all anyway go to other countries. There is a tiny fraction. I don't think in the longer run of game a lot of people will leave the country.
Yeah.
It's not about कि यहाँ पे governments कैसी हैं. It's about the families. It's about the relatives. It's about the friends and the environment that we get around us. That kind of makes us live in this country.
Yeah.
Like there are better countries out there. They will provide a better standard of living, and your life will be better in general. But would you have the same friends in other countries? Would you have the same relations or the relatives or the same kind of culture in those countries? I guess those kind of people won't leave the country. But
That's a good
उसके
point.
अलावा जो जाने वाले थे वो तो जाएंगे.
That's a good point. I have 2 points specifically regarding this thing.
Okay.
So, I guess just the fact that we are having a hard time fighting COVID-19, or I guess it's a new strain, right? It should be called COVID-21 or something, right? Okay, let's not sidetrack. I tend to sidetrack from topics, man. I need to improve on that. Cool. So what I was saying is that it's not just the way we are having a hard time fighting through this. It's also the way some other things are being prioritized right now in the country, which are demanding big budgets. There are some other things which are being prioritized, which demanded collecting a lot of people in small places, even though we have this disaster going on. I think these things will push people to believe that it's not just COVID-19, it's also the system which is not. The system just doesn't want to handle it well. If that feeling creeps in that we have a problem and the system is not interested in solving it, that might push more people. But then I have another side to it, and then you can give me your opinion on both.
Okay.
There are also a bunch of tweets. A lot of people say that they are stuck outside in Canada, or where do people get stuck? Singapore,
Yeah.
Europe,
Canada is the main country.
right?
Yeah.
So
Right.
that they are in other countries
Hmm.
and their whole family, their relatives are suffering here, and they want to be with them. That is the other aspect which might, which might push families to start living in the same place instead of going to different places. So I had 1 point against it, 1 in support of it. I don't have a conclusion. Again, we can't really decide this, right? We can't give a conclusion, but we can give our thoughts. What do you think of these 2 points?
I agree, I totally agree with the second point. But the first point, like the system is failing and they have this realization, this will sooner or later come and they will leave the country. Let's be realistic. It's not about COVID, it's about everything. And sooner or later, people will realize कि ये सिर्फ कोविड के बारे में नहीं है. हमने टाइम एंड अगेन ये देखा है कि ये चीज़ होती है हमारी कंट्री में. And this will happen again and again.
Because it's not like you tried to fight it really hard and you failed. Did you even try your best?
Yeah.
That is, I guess, what it comes down to.
And मेरे को नहीं लगता हमारी जनरेशन में it would be possible to achieve that. Maybe in the next generation, if people are taught in a way based on the experience of other people in our generation, then maybe the system will improve.
I guess when the political system completely has one cycle done and there are new people there from the next generation, maybe let's have hope.
Yeah.
The world runs on hope.
Yes, hope is a big thing.
Not sure good or bad. It's a big thing.